Early life, full name, Sir Isaac Newton, born January 4th, 1643, December 25th, 1642, Old Style Calendar. Birthplace, Woolsthorpe, Lincolnshire, England. Parents, Hannah Ayscough Newton and Isaac Newton Sr., a farmer who died before Isaac was born. Newton was a premature baby and not expected to survive. His mother remarried when he was 3, leaving him to be raised by his grandmother, something that affected him deeply and made him solitary and quiet in his youth. Education. Newton studied at the King's School in Grantham, where he showed early signs of talent in mechanics and invention. In 1661, he entered Trinity College, Cambridge. At Cambridge, he studied mathematics, physics, and astronomy, reading the works of scientists like Galileo, Kepler, and Descartes. During the Great Plague of 1665-1666, Cambridge closed and Newton returned home. In that period of isolation, he made some of his greatest major discoveries and works. 1. Laws of motion and universal gravitation, 1687. Newton formulated 3 laws of motion. 1. An object remains at rest or moves at a constant speed unless acted upon by an external force. 2. Force equals mass times acceleration, F equals ma. 3. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. He also proposed the law of universal gravitation, explaining how every object in the universe attracts every other object with a force depending on their masses and the distance between them. These ideas were published in his most famous book, Philosophia Naturalis Principia Mathematica, the mathematical principles of natural philosophy, usually called the Principia. 2. Optics, light and colour. Newton studied light and proved that white light is made of a spectrum of colours. He used a glass prism to split sunlight into a rainbow, showing that colours are components of white light. He invented the reflecting telescope, Newtonian telescope, to reduce distortion caused by lenses. 3. Mathematics, calculus. Independently developed calculus around the same time as German mathematician Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz. Though both contributed to calculus, a long dispute over who discovered it first lasted for years. Other interests. Newton also studied alchemy, theology, and biblical prophecy, areas that interested him as much as science. He wrote many notes on religion and even tried to find hidden codes in the Bible. Career and later life. Elected to Parliament 1689 to 1690 and again in 1701 to 1702. Became Warden of the Royal Mint in 1696 and later Master of the Mint, helping reform England.